Okay, let's discuss another important theorem in circuit analysis. So we can consider a complex network considering of different type of voltage sources. Here we have a 28 voltage source and 7 voltage source. So we have to consider what is the effect of another component in the circuit, like this resistor. What is the current flowing through this one? Okay, for this cases we can use the help of superposition theorem. The superposition theorem states that in a linear circuit with multiple independent sources, the total voltage or current in any component is the algebraic sum of the voltages or current produced by each independent source acting alone, with all other independent sources replaced by their internal resistance, voltage sources by short circuit, current sources by open circuits. This principle allows a complex circuits with multiple sources to be simplified and analyzed by considering each source's contribution individually. So for this case, what we're doing is you will shut down one of these voltage sources. Maybe I can shut down short voltage source. If the internal resistor is there, I can connect this resistor. If no internal resistor, it's negligible, I can short circuit this one. Okay, then I find the contribution of this voltage source on this resistor. Then what you're doing is I will do the opposite thing. I will short circuit here this one and switch on this one. I can find what is the contribution from here. Then the total sum, the algebraic sum of this current should be the current in the this resistor. So okay, let's just check it in LTspice. So I have already done a circuit for this. Okay, for that this is a circuit we are using. We have two power supplies. One is 220 volt and the other is 25 volt. We have resistors 20k, 20k and 20k. For simplicity, put all this to 20k. Then what I am doing is I want to find the effect of this superposition theorem across this resistor R2. Okay, then for that what I am doing is I will make another circuit where this is short circuited. The 20 volt is power short circuit and only 25 volt is applied. And also make another circuit which is the second voltage source is short circuited and 20 volt is in the circuit. Okay, then if all this if I measure the current across this resistor R2, this should be the sum of these two. If it is coming like that, we can say that superposition theorem was verified. I made a simulation about 10 seconds. Okay, then so if I run this one, I measure the voltage across this R2 first circuit with both voltages are there. I get a minus 75 microampere from this one. Okay, next check only contribution from 25. If I measure this one, I am getting about near to minus 420. Okay, then finally if I measure the voltage current across this one, I will get a current about 320, 330, etc. Okay, so from this plot I can say that if I add these two contributions about 400 and 320, I will surely get to the value about something 730 or 750, etc. Which means that if this is the algebraic sum of this contribution from these two. That's why the superposition theorem was verified.